Well, everyone, I think we are in for a treat today. I'm fishing what looks to be like one of the more unique and beautiful creeks and canyons I've ever fished. I have no idea if there are fish in here or what kind of fish there are in here. But a little bit higher up from where I am now, there are these huge house-sized boulders that overhang the creek that I'll need to walk and fish under. It is spectacular. You can't see that now. It's kind of around the corner here. But this should be a really, really fun place to fish, assuming I can actually catch some fish in here. So I'm fishing the Zen Tenkara Suzume, which is a triple zoom rod that goes from about 7.5 feet to about 10.5 feet. I have a 7-foot line on here. That might be a little bit short for sections like this. Before the sections with the big boulders, I think it'll be appropriate. So I'm gonna extend the rod out, see if there are any fish in here. Ooh, feels weird casting a line so short with a long rod. I'm gonna switch it to the middle length. None yet. I'm fishing the black and gold Kabari right now. But I'll probably change it up if or when I lose this fly. Ooh, I just saw 2 fish that I spooked. Okay, big fish. Not sure what they were. Couldn't quite tell, but that is a good sign. I don't know where those guys were hiding originally. Probably along the rock or under the rock somewhere, but that is a good sign. I'd always prefer to catch fish rather than spook them, but at least I know now that there are fish in here. And if there are fish in here, I'm fairly certain I'll be able to catch one at some point. Oh, got one! Oh! That looked like a rainbow trout. It came off. Yeah, I should be changing my line length, but I'm too lazy. There's a fish. Wow. Oh my gosh. What is this? What is this? It's a giant rainbow. It's like a foot-long rainbow trout. Whoa. Wow, that is one of the prettiest rainbows I've caught lately. 6 and 6.5. So yeah, 12.5 inches. What a beast. This is about what I saw down there. Lower, the same size. Goodness gracious. Hello, gorgeous. Wow. What a fish. Jeez. That is amazing. Fish on. Oh, the fly came out just as I had my net underneath it. Fortuitous timing. It's another rainbow trout. Sweet. Got one. Ooh. It's another good fish. Maybe 10 or 11 inches. And that's a brown trout. 9 and 2, so yeah, 11 inches. Nice. It's been a while since I've caught a brown trout. There aren't too many in the parts where I live, so it's always fun to catch them. Wow, look at those spots. Look at that. Sweet. Oh, what a great creek. Oh, had a strike. The line went very tight, very briefly. Guess I had just one crack at the apple here. Seems like I can't get a second strike. Oh, he says as he gets a second strike. That happens to me all the time. I give up, and that's when I catch the fish. Maybe there's some, maybe that's a cosmic lesson here. Not quite sure what that would be. Be humble, maybe. Be willing to admit defeat. A rainbow trout. Got one. Looks like a rainbow. Tentatively. Oh wait, no, that's a brook trout. What? Third species? If I can net the darn thing. Yeah, that's a brook trout. Third species. Been fishing for 18 minutes, and that's the third species. Very nice. You're free. Now you can see those boulders there. Pretty epic. Fish on. The smaller fish, but then again, it was out of a smaller pool. That's somewhat to be expected. It's like a 6-inch rainbow trout, 6 or 7 inches. Got another little guy. Next cast. Where's the fly? Is it out? I think it's out. It's a very spotted rainbow trout. Really pretty par marks on that one. Got one. Oh, a little fella. It's a little rainbow trout. Was that a rock that I was hung up on? Could have been. Another little fish. Rainbow trout. Isn't this crazy? Gigantic boulders creating a tunnel that I'll be fishing through. It's because of this water through here that I put the 7-foot line on, that I put the shorter line on. That is so cool. Ooh, and there's a nice looking little spot. Any takers? No takers yet. But we have another good looking spot underneath the overhang of this boulder. I don't know how much you guys will be able to see in the dark. This GoPro does not do well in the dark. I think I can still cast. Oh, fish on! I was getting my camera out, getting my phone out to take a picture. Where'd it go? Is it still on? The line got caught. Yeah, it's still on. It's a rainbow trout from the middle of the pool there. Yes, that is so cool. That is a unique catch right in there. This is like a mixture of of fishing and spelunking, of caving. This one looks great. There's got to be a fish down in here. This is the last of the underground pools for now. There are more boulders up ahead, so we can also try our luck over there. But along this stretch, this is the last subterranean feeling pool. Fish on, oh, nope. I think that was a rock. Okay, let's move on up. That pool right there, that's where I caught that fish. So unique, very unique fishing here. Hello, idyllic little pool. Fish on. It's a rainbow trout. Got one. Oh! Oh, this is interesting. The majority of the creek goes underneath the boulder here. I don't even know if I can squeeze through here around the side. Oh, looks like I can. Wow, look at this. Can you guys see that at all? Well, I'm gonna stick a few casts back in there. There've got to be fish in there. I mean, landing it will be close to impossible, but I'll give it a shot. Bow and arrow cast into the darkness. I won't be able to feel a take. I won't be able to see a take. I'll have to feel it. Nothing on the first cast. I mean, it is dark. Dark down in there. Okay, nothing. Still cool though. Let's crawl up out of here. Oh, let's try to not break our rod tip. Back into the light. Where am I going? Where is the creek? Whoa, this is all going uphill. I don't want to go up the side of the canyon. I guess the creek is over to the left more. Can I even get there from here? I think so. Here's the creek. I'm gonna try to exit out the side over here. This is gonna be tricky. I can't fit through that. I mean, I could if my life depended on it. But I think I'm gonna backtrack. Nothing. Nothing behind door number 1, but door number 2 looks great. Wow. I'm choking high up on the rod because, I mean, I can't really set the hook if I use the rod at its full length here. Last cast. And nothing behind door number 2. Again, wow! Surely there's a fish in here that I can catch. I can't really see anything over here because of the light and the reflection. I can't see my line at all. So it'll be a bit of a surprise if I do get a fish on here. This is a super nice looking spot. Great looking pool. Fish on. Let's bring him down the little falls here. Keep him away from the rest of the pool. Looks like a rainbow trout. Got him. Fat rainbow trout. Well, my fly is getting pretty chewed up here. The gold tinsel is kind of coming off. Still seems to be working though. Even if all the gold tinsel does come off, it's still, there we go. It's still basically an all black kabari. Come on. That's a nice fish. Wow. It's a fat, healthy 10-inch rainbow trout. Look at that. Chonker. We've got some more foam over here. Let's try our luck in this foam. I like catching fish in foam because when they break the surface, it disrupts the foam. It's very visually satisfying, except this one, wow, that might have been the biggest fish yet. That was like a 13, maybe even bigger fish, 13-inch fish. And he didn't even break the surface. He went like out instead of straight up. All right, let's catch one more fish. Then we'll get out of here. Got one. It's a rainbow trout. It's a chunky rainbow. Yes, good fish to end on. Beauty. All right, guys, that'll do it. That was just fantastic. I mean, this stream goes for miles. You could spend days fishing this creek. Awesome creek. Caught 15 fish, 3 different species, incredible scenery. This is an all-time creek for me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one.